Knowing how to back up your students' augmentative and alternative communication software will save you time and energy, and it might save your student's life. Backing up AAC software files is part of standard care for an AAC device. We recommend backing up the files at least once a quarter, especially before long breaks, and before you return an item to the Patents Lending Library, even if you don't suspect the trial was successful. If you are borrowing software from the Patents Lending Library, this allows you to keep your student's personalized file and add it to the new device after your trial. If it's a student's device, this allows the student to keep their language access integrity in the event of a loss. Files should be maintained confidentially. We recommend having a conversation with the student, family, and staff about where the files are stored, who is in charge of backing up, and who has access to them. There are several options for backing up and restoring files in Proloquo2Go for iOS. All options for backing up are under the Options icon in the bottom right hand of the screen. Scroll down to Backup. First, Proloquo2Go has automatic backups to the device with either Google Drive or Dropbox. You must first have an account for either of these services. You also must be connected to Wi-Fi, at least occasionally. For this example, we will use Google Drive, although the process is nearly identical with Dropbox. In the Backup section of the Options menu, toggle on your preferred storage service. You will be prompted to sign into your account. Again, it will intermittently back up to Google Drive or Dropbox as you wish, but at any point that you make some major changes and wish to back up your file, you can click on the Backup either all your users on Proloquo2Go or just the file that you're on now. Connect to Computer is not recommended for any devices that are loaned from the Patents Lending Library. Instead, use Export Backup. Select the file you wish to export. Click Share. You will have more options available. This could include Microsoft OneDrive, airdropping it to a nearby Apple device, or emailing it. This file will be backed up to Google Drive, but also intermittently it is backing up to the device itself. At any point that you wish to restore to a previous version, you can go to the Restore from Backup and select the file you wish to revert to. There's more to learn about this software, such as customizing, editing, and setting it up for alternative access. For more support, Indiana Public Pre-K-12 staff members can reach out to Patents Project at patinsproject.org or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube.